Hello everybody, in this question, a polygon has n sides where n is greater than 5. The interior angles of the polygon form an arithmetic sequence. The smallest angle of the polygon is 84 degrees. Common difference of the sequence is 4. Work out the sum of the interior angles of the polygon and show clear algebraic working. So we need to do it using algebraic method. So starting with arithmetic sequence. So the angles of the polygon I can write. So the smallest angle is 84, and then the common difference is 4. So the next angle is going to be 84 plus 4 degrees. That is 88 degrees, and so on. So the sum of the interior angles would be, sum of 84, sum to n terms. Okay, if we don't know what n is a number of sides, so we can say sum of the angles in arithmetic sequence. So that would be n over 2 times 2 times the first angle, that is 84, plus n minus 1 multiplied by 4. So this is also equal to sum of angles of a polygon. So I could write that sum of interior angles of a polygon n-sided. So that would be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So these two are equal, so we can equate them. So I'll just say equating. I would get n over 2 times 2 times 84 plus n minus 1 times 4, and that is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So I'll just write 180. So I can simplify it a bit more, so I can cancel the 2. It will be n times 84 plus n minus 1 times 2 is equal to 180n minus 360. So removing this bracket, we get 84n plus 2n times n, so 2n square minus 2n is equal to 180n minus 360. So taking everything on the left hand side, we can write 2n square and then minus 2n. 84 minus 2 is 82. 82 minus 180. I'm searching for my calculator. I don't need it. Plus minus 98. This is a calculator paper, so I'm using everything. So minus 98 is a 2n square minus 98n and then plus 360. Yes, plus 360. So plus 360 is equal to 0. I can simplify this further. N square minus times 4 is 8. 49n plus 360 is 0. I can factorize it, or I can use my calculator, but I would factorize it. So if I factorize it, 360, or rather, sorry, no, 180, right. So 180 to 90 to 45, 5933. So we get 3 times 3. 9 times 5 is 45 and 4 is 49. So I can say n squared minus 45n minus 4n plus 180 is 0. So I can n times n minus 45 minus 4 times n minus 45 equals 0. N minus 44 times n minus 45 is 0. So n is, we are given that n is greater than 5. So since n greater than 5, therefore n minus 45 equals 0 and n is 45. So we get n is 45. So the number of sides of the polygon is 45. So I can say polygon has 45 sides. But that's not what the question is asking. So it is telling us to work out the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. So sum of the interior angles, we have space here, or this is space to write. So we can say that we write here sum of the interior angles, that would be n minus 2, so 45 minus 2 times 180, that is 43, oh, sorry. So we get 7740. That's the sum of the interior angle, 7740 degrees. We can write it here again. That's the answer.